Hey there, I'm going to take you through a quick tutorial on how to change the wallpaper on your iPhone. So all you're going to do to start is find the settings app. It's this one right here. It looks like some gray gears. It'll say settings below. And you're just going to touch that. And then once you're in here, you're going to scroll down and you'll see a selection called wallpaper. And you just go ahead and tap that. And then it'll give you the option to choose a new wallpaper. It'll show what they currently are right here. This one on the left is what your wallpaper will be for your lock screen. And then this one on the right will be the one that'll be behind all your icons for your home page. And then you can go select a new wallpaper. In these dynamics or stills are ones that come on your phone. You can choose any of those, or it pulls up all your photos below. So I'm just going to go into one of the default ones and say, okay, which one of these do I want as my wallpaper? Let's try this one. So I'm going to select that. It's going to give me a preview and a full screen. I'm going to say, okay, that looks good. I like it. If not, I can just hit cancel and go backwards. But I'm going to go ahead and press set. And then it gives me the option of set this background as the lock screen background, set it as the home screen background, or set it as both. So in this case, you can have different wallpapers for just the lock screen and the home screen, or you can keep them both the same. So in this case, I'm just going to set both. And it takes a moment, and then it's done. And then if you have a home button on your phone, you can just press the home button. And if not, you can just do the swipe up to get home. And then now you can see it's changed. And also on the lock screen, you can see it changed as well. Okay.